Do you want high-end decor without paying high-end prices? I visit these stores to get inspiration, but I'm always shocked by the prices. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars on one piece, you can go to Dollar Tree and fill up a cart for $100. I'm Natalie, and I'm going to show you how you can turn Dollar Tree items into high-end decor that you can be proud to display in your home. I found these beautiful mirror serving bowls in the party section at Dollar Tree. The unique shape caught my eye. You'll need 3 packs of 4. You'll also need 1 pack of wood craft cubes. For a strong bond, I used E6000, and for an instant hold, some hot glue. To glue the wood cubes together, I used Dollar Tree wood glue. Put some glue on one cube and attach a second cube to it. Hold firmly. Only use a little bit of glue to prevent running on the sides. If it does run, just wipe it off immediately with your finger. Repeat these steps to make 11 sets of 2 cubes. While those are drying, grab a piece of sandpaper. I'm using P60 grit. To bond the cubes to the bowls, you want a rough surface, otherwise the glue won't stick. Trust me, I found out the hard way. Sand up and down to remove the little piece that sticks up at the bottom. Then sand in a circular motion to ensure the whole surface is scuffed. Sand all the bottoms. For the inside, sand all except for 3 bowls because they will be the tops. Add a little E6000 and hot glue to the cubes and attach them to the bowl. When adding the second bowl, make sure it aligns with the other bowl. Continue these steps for all layers except the last layer. We'll be making 3 of these. The first will have 6 bowls, the second will have 4, and the third will have only 2. After placing all the top bowls, spin it around and make sure they're all aligned. You can always detach if needed and re-glue. For the last bowl, glue it directly to the top bowl facing up. Let them dry completely overnight. Once dry, it's time to spray paint them. I'm using Canyon Black Satin by Rust-Oleum. Do a light, even coat. You don't want to spray too much or the paint will drip. Make sure you paint the inside of the top bowl. If this design inspired you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you would make it your own. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new DIY inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy creating.